8 ways your body is trying to warn you about a hormone imbalance. Nowadays, a lot of people experience symptoms like weight gain, fatigue, constipation, menstrual dysfunction, sexual dysfunction, thinning hair, and brittle nails. Even though they are different, they all indicate one specific problem: a hormonal imbalance. Hormone imbalance symptoms. The different types of hormonal imbalance. For example, fatigue and poor sleep are signs that you have a problem with the adrenals, the glands that have a responsibility to produce stress hormones. Fatigue, combined with symptoms like weight gain, constipation, brittle nails, and thinning hair, indicate problems with your thyroid, the gland responsible for producing thyroid hormone. Menstrual and menopausal problems usually indicate imbalances with progesterone, testosterone, and estrogen, the sex hormones. Imbalances of these three hormones usually lead to weight gain and fatigue. However, weight gain can also be a sign that your diet includes too many sweets and starches. There occurs carbohydrate intolerance because the excessive consumption of carbs makes people become insulin resistant. How conventional testing may be subpar. Feeling and looking ill is not something that occurs normally with aging. It simply indicates that there is something wrong with your hormones. You may even go to the doctor regularly and check your adrenals, blood sugar, and thyroid and found out that you don't have some problem with them, and yet you may be suffering from a hormonal imbalance. So, the best thing you should do is to find a way to balance your hormones. Today, we will present 10 tips on how to balance your hormones, regardless of your age. Keep reading and find out more. 10 ways to fix the underlying cause of hormonal imbalance. 1. Reduce the consumption of sweets and starches. The excessive consumption of sweets and starches can overload the function of hormones. So, you should limit their intake, or try to eliminate them completely for a couple of weeks in order to see the reaction of your body. 2. Eat more healthy fats and let of fat phobia. The regular consumption of healthy fats can stimulate the production of hormones that suppress cravings, boost energy, and increase feeling of satiety. 3. Reduce your grains, legumes, and high-sugar fruits for 2 weeks. A lot of people are carbohydrate intolerant and they are not even aware of it. The excessive intake of these carbs can cause metabolic problems, so you will not be able to process them properly or you will become insulin resistant. 4. Be good to your microbiome. Fermented foods and fiber are extremely beneficial for your gut. They can support good bacteria and take control of bad ones. Moreover, they will improve your digestion and boost hormone function. 5. Avoid reactive, inflammatory foods. Processed foods, sugar, and gluten are inflammatory foods. They take their toll through the gut, endocrine and immune system. 6. Aim to sleep more and better. Not having proper sleep has a negative effect on the entire organism. The lack of sleep can inhibit the ability of the body to release the hormones essential for restoring and refreshing the cells. As a result, you will experience more rapidly aging brain and body. So, make sure to always have proper rest. 7. Cool it on the stimulants. The excessive intake of caffeine, regardless if it is in the form of coffee, soda, energy drinks, or tea, can interfere with the hormones that play an important role in the restorative sleep. 8. Cut the chemicals. We are constantly exposed to chemicals found in water, food, household cleaners, and cosmetic. So, make sure to lower your exposure to these harmful chemicals in order to balance your hormones and maintain their optimal function. Try to use less toxic products so you can protect yourself from these detrimental chemicals. 9. Minimize the medications. Prescription medications and over-the-counter remedies can stress out the microbiome and cause hormone imbalance. So, it is recommended to avoid them as much as you can. If you must take them, make sure you avoid long-term exposure and take the smallest dose. 10. Train yourself to unwind. It is very important to relax from time to time. No matter if it is through watching a movie, dancing, laughing, or just hanging out with your friends. It is also recommended to meditate regularly. This will balance your hormones and will keep you fit and relaxed.